Hi, this is the LG G7 feed and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and here you'll see Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, we should click here to this switcher. Then just, if you want, you could see the Wi-Fi tutorial how you could do that. Here we got, after the activating of the Wi-Fi, we got the list of all of the available networks. Let's just check. You should select one from the networks and here we should enter the password. Then just tap to connect button, wait a couple of seconds and that's it. Also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, click to this Wi-Fi switcher. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.